Good morning. Good morning, everybody. This is your host, Tommy Cunningham, coming to you live from Forest Ridge Apartments. Today, I would like to go over my plan for today. So, my plan for today is pretty simple. Playing to look up ideas for like videos for like my YouTube channel. Then for lunch, I'm planning on my leftover beef stroganoff. And other than that, I am planning to tonight for supper. I'm planning. Hello. So just to let you guys know what's also on my plan to take you guys for a little bit of a walk this afternoon. So please keep an eye out for that. And I will be doing like more at home videos every day to show you guys a lot of the stuff that's going on. So just to show you guys my video I'm watching this morning. Plus, currently listening to this morning. So, they are talking about Eddie's Revenge, which I feel like is really interesting. Plus, what I'm also planning to show you guys, I got my coffee, which is a pumpkin spice coffee with hazelnut creamer. And it is so good. So, So also to show you guys what's going on my plants, I'm pl- planning to clean up my room today a little bit. Right there is what was talking. Scanning all the different channels and seeing what in the world is going on today. So, so, so also let you guys know, just showing on my TV, it's PC Dev. Prince Charming Dev. So, so also to give you guys a COVID-19 update on my life. I've been doing pretty good. I started waking up early now. So Monday through Friday, I'm going to start waking up early. Now I'm going to give that a try. And if it works, I'll let you guys know. If it doesn't work, if I feel really tired, I'll let you guys know. And also, there might be a big radio reference update for you guys. So that's what's coming up. So I also might do some stuff today on my computer too, so please be aware for a video on that. And also I may do like a little walking video and So that's so it's also on my updates. I I also been trying to do like more reality stuff. Like watching a lot more like these theme park videos, watching less scanner videos. At night, I've been watching a lot of AMC, a lot of FX and FXX. So just to let you guys know, if I have anything else I would like to update, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, have a great day. I'll see you guys at the next video, which should be at 4:30.